Please like, share, and subscribe. Hydrangeas are popular ornamental shrubs known for their large, showy flower clusters and their ability to thrive in a variety of garden settings. Here are some key features and information about hydrangea flowers. 1. Appearance. Flowers. Hydrangea flowers are arranged in large, rounded or conical clusters called inflorescences. The blooms can be white, pink, blue, purple, or red, with some varieties changing color based on soil pH. Acidic soils produce blue flowers, while alkaline soils result in pink flowers. Leaves. The leaves are typically large, oval, and have a serrated edge. They are a vibrant green, providing a lush backdrop to the colorful blooms. 2. Types of hydrangeas. Bigleaf hydrangea, Hydrangea macrophylla, known for its large, mop-head or lace-cap flowers, with the ability to change color based on soil pH. Panicle hydrangea, Hydrangea paniculata, features cone-shaped flower clusters that start white and may turn pink or green as they age. Smooth hydrangea, Hydrangea arborescens, includes popular varieties like Annabelle, known for its large white flower heads. Oakleaf hydrangea, Hydrangea corsifolia, notable for its oak-shaped leaves and cone-shaped white flowers that turn pinkish as they mature. Climbing hydrangea, Hydrangea anomala subs petiolaris, a vine-like species that produces white, lace-cap flowers and can climb walls and trees. 3. Blooming time. Hydrangeas typically bloom from late spring to early fall, with the exact timing varying by species and climate. Some varieties can produce repeat blooms throughout the season. 4. Growth habit. Height. Hydrangeas can vary greatly in size, from compact dwarf varieties that stay under 3 feet tall to large shrubs that can reach up to 15 feet or more. Structure. They generally have a bushy, rounded growth habit, with some species growing as climbing vines. 5. Habitat. Hydrangeas thrive in well-drained, fertile soil and prefer locations with partial shade to full sun, depending on the species. They benefit from protection against harsh afternoon sun and hotter climates. 6. Care requirements. Light. Most hydrangeas prefer morning sun and afternoon shade, although panicle hydrangeas can tolerate more sun. Soil. Well-drained, fertile soil is ideal. Soil pH can affect the color of certain hydrangea flowers. Watering. Hydrangeas need regular watering, especially during dry periods. Mulching can help retain soil moisture and keep roots cool. Pruning. Pruning requirements vary by species. Big leaf and oakleaf hydrangeas typically bloom on old wood and should be pruned after flowering. Panicle and smooth hydrangeas bloom on new wood and can be pruned in late winter or early spring. 7. Propagation. Hydrangeas can be propagated through cuttings, division, or layering. Cuttings are often taken in the summer from new growth. 8. Pests and diseases. Hydrangeas can be susceptible to pests like aphids, spider mites, and scale. They can also experience issues with powdery mildew, leaf spot, and root rot. Proper spacing and air circulation can help prevent disease. 9. Uses. Hydrangeas are widely used in gardens for borders, hedges, foundation plantings, and as specimen plants. Their large, showy blooms also make them popular in floral arrangements and as cut flowers. 10. Cultural significance. Hydrangeas are often associated with gratitude, grace, and beauty. They are popular in weddings and are frequently used in garden landscapes for their impressive visual impact. Hydrangeas are beloved for their stunning flower clusters, long blooming season, and versatility in the garden. With proper care, they can provide years of beauty and enjoyment in a variety of settings.